Look at that. That's a lot of rain.
That was a big drop.
Is it going on you?
Yeah.
Oh. It's so cold out here. Oh, hi, Rudolph. What's that music coming from? Ari, get back in here. Do you want to get wet? No. Always, if I look over there, it looks like it's already turning to like 4 or 5 o'clock where the sun rises. Ari, get back up here. I could still see you off camera.
Oh, no.
Whoa, my hand's so bright.
They're big, giant raindrops.
I know. Wait, you want to go record inside with it?
Daddy got this. Daddy got this.
The giant. Ari, let's record it with this.
See?
Oh, it looks like it stopped. It stopped.
Yeah.
No fair, it stopped.
Those are crutches?
I don't know. You just got shreked. I can still see water drops right there. Or that's either just how it's supposed to be. I was about to download a video.
Ew, stop!
That was so disgusting, was it?
My name is Haley. Where's the mouse?
Hi, my name is Sophia or something like that. Caillou. Oh God.
All right, let's go. As you know,
Look at
Jane
that, knock it
and Bill
over.
were about to get married, and the wedding was going to be in Jane's house. Only it flooded, so Rogelio rebuilt their house on the soundstage of his telenovela. What a dive!
Where we knock it over?
Things weren't as hunky-dory for Jane and Petra.
Where we knock it over?
Petra's tweet
Just do
against
this.
showed up and started causing trouble for Jane, and Petra
What?
lied to
Just
protect
do
her.
this with your left knee.
I believe her.
Oh.
Jane really.
No, try to knock it off. There.
Speaking of shady relatives,
Do it. 3, 2, 1.
mom was the crime lord known as Wood.
Now you have to try and knock it over. Alright. 3, 2, 1. No.
He was blackmailing him for control of the hotel next door.
The paper is still here. Enjoy the view, please. Oh, God. Alright, well, this is the end.